Now, there is nothing more irritating than sending some work to somebody, for example, by email as an attachment, and then realizing that actually there was a mistake in the attachment, or you sent the wrong version, or it needed to be updated, or you'd made some changes and actually you want to send that particular copy. And then you end up just sending multiple copies, and people get really confused and frustrated because they don't know which one is right. The same is true in a VLE, if not worse. There's nothing more frustrating than when you spend some time and you upload a document to realize actually there's either a mistake on it or it needs improving, and you have to go through the whole process of then deleting that document and re-uploading it and so on and so forth. What I'm going to show you now is how you can easily update a document by uploading it to OneDrive, so that the OneDrive link to that file is refreshed and the changes happen instantly. And it's a really good feature, this, and such a time-saving feature. So, as you can see from the screen, I have got a file in my OneDrive called WebQuiz Student Infused Learning. It's a student response system, and it's a PowerPoint that explains a little bit about this particular document and this particular Web 2 application. If I go into OneDrive, you can see here it is here. If I click on it to open it, you'll see it is my document. Here it is here. It's going to open and play, and there it is, and it's a slide, and there are lots of different features on it. Unfortunately, that's not my latest version, and I have made some improvements to it. Let me show you what my improvements are. I'm going to go into my laptop. So imagine I'm in my PC, my own area with my own files, and here is my quiz. And you can see that my PowerPoint is now slightly different. I have removed some bits and I've improved that page. Now, frustratingly, I want this version to go onto the VLE, but I don't want to go through all the hassle of deleting one and re-uploading and not working out which one is which. So let me show you how to do it. I'll close this file and I'm going to go back to OneDrive, and here it is here. All I'm going to do is simply replace this file with the one that I've got in my documents area. And as long as the file name is the same, the link between OneDrive and the VLE won't be touched, and you fool VLE into thinking that it's still the same file, and hopefully the improvements will be shown. So what we do, well, we simply click on, well, there's lots of ways of doing it. You could tick this box, click on Upload and File. Go and find your file. Let me just go to Documents and Demo, and I've now uploaded it. Now, here it says, a file with this name already exists. Would you like to replace them, rename it, keep it both? Well, I want to replace. And hopefully what you'll find now, once it's fully uploaded, I press Done, is that, can you see, it's suddenly changed. If I just refresh this page, I wonder whether it will turn green so you can see it as well. There you go. So there is the change. I have uploaded the new file, I've replaced that file. So the proof in the pudding. If I now go back to the VLE, will that change have happened? Well, let's click on the link. Let's go into it. And there you go. Just like that. How magic is that? And how much quicker is that than having to go into the VLE, delete the file, re-upload the file, and so on and so forth. You don't have to touch what's in the VLE as long as you've got your OneDrive set up and the links that are there. There is no problem at all. In the next video, when we look at editing, editing files online, you can make similar changes. But that's a really good feature, not just simply for PowerPoint, but you can do it for any particular file, as long as you keep the file name the same.